How to fix unable to find Ubisoft Game Launcher, please reinstall. So the first fix I can recommend you is you can head over and then restart your device. Just click on this window icon, click on this power up icon, and then restart it. Another option that you can do is you can head over right here to your task manager. So head over to your task manager right here, open it, and then look for the Ubisoft right here. So once you have seen in here the Ubisoft, for example, you can click on that and then click on the end task option right around here. Now, if that doesn't actually solve the problem, then the next thing you can do is you can head over and then install and reinstall it if you want. So head over right here to your Google Chrome and search in here for Ubisoft. So click on this first link right here, and then once you have done that, it will show you the store of Ubisoft right around here. So on the store, you can see in here the cookies. So click on this download option right here in order to download it, the installer, and then you should be able to reinstall it as well. So here's Ubisoft Connect. So head over and scroll down until you can see the download option right here. We have in here the Ubisoft for PC. Download it using the Ubisoft Connect PC, or you can also download it in Google Play and a lot more. So head over and then just choose which one and then reinstall it in order to make this or fix this particular error. So that's how you fix unable to find Ubisoft Game Launcher, please to install. I hope this video helped you out.